Today I'm making a super moist Devil's Food Ranch jalapeno chocolate cake. Now I'm just fucking with you guys. I'm not that crazy. I will not be doing that. I'm baking a cake in the microwave. I got one cake already finished. I got one in there right now. Alright, about 5 minutes is all it takes. I'm not going to give you the instructions how to do it. You can read it right here. Bam. Alright. In the meantime, while that cake's cooking, I got something else I'm going to make. Made this shit last night, but I didn't record it. Shit happened. So, let me set this aside.